Tarin Lange Serona Gilizin Di Nangla, Niedo Nusaji Dagubi, Nin, Resopugi, Ning Di, Peggy Manzu Unye, the Melotuzu Reji Kobi, Tujing, Nimuchin, the Zane, Nabalink Samoloya, Manzu Tujin, some distillation Shuin, La Chistujin. Tarin Shogun Dharamsala, Pende Sikyong Penpa Tsering Chogi, Peggy Manzu Unye, the Melotuzu Reji Kobi, Shunji, Zigu, Damshe Nawin Nangne, Sudden Shubashik, Shamla. Pegatan Ingi Ninang Sikyong Mashu Manzu Yuring Nekuchi
Tadechar Sikyong Ngone Ledun Chegoka Tushul Meber Dumu Yinia Pema Chidun Hanzo Tsu Matuber Ten Trezo Ki Chimsu Lengentan Gunel Hanzo Ki Lengen Yonzo Gayuba Mase Gana Ki Nedanta Geji Gudul Dumbe Charbar Ledun Zombe Kogop Mandachik Yoba Nam Trezo Jingwene Lentudime Gashune Nedun Te Peju Lopertande Pena Nezu Zunjota Zenjuna Yendruk Gejito Peju Lopertan Shembe Nezu Chingechik Kashala Nyensen Shunge Chungada Teito Ranjala Zasim Chankengi Shungta Trezo Pedun Gabiro Mangushiki Semsapta Loyen Cheshin Dukjing Pönane Kanyote Chedu Se Matupse Zadun Lengu Pejo Pensam Jogyu Inluigi Dalen Tangjur Chungwa Ranre Chiso Chungdi Nantwa Koba Mabebe Semsur Dunken Drami Yonshim Yoba Same Kensetare Kapsabe Kashak Ngone Zenju Pumi Chedim Kikondun Tan Tumbe Tabsu Kangla Tungur Gabjur Shunge Imatang Jedo Sosugang Dimurnena Kegyon Chicha Gegyon Sheldur Ki Logudang Mirikla Genkube Tone Samship Tamga Manoro Chegube Tula Babdu Je Kogop Digune Shundu Chungshin Chedim the Tumber Chozo Tsumatadu Kashaki Chidul Hanzo da Nyamdu Chedim Ki Legu Shirsung Pöjibe Zadentang Mangsogi Dedunto Tumongi Bejun Shugu Chedi Ansartang Chusem Tembuyu Demi Dimur Chegreng Hase Tei Jugdeni Pumin Dixu Mbolugu Nyachile Mebe Pumi Sushigi Yang Tante Tedabushik Tonde Mejing Drebu Tedabule Pumi Sulang Keben Top Misi Tadun Ranja Zenju Pumir Tungur Gabyon Guntu Nangan Gagartan Arizube Gagabkada Zamling Kundu Nebe Pudun Gabgurwar Number Tujingi Samjita Nyamdu Ning Tabane Tushe Shugidan Chinol Konsyamgun Chumbucho Gutse Zedin Geshin Tushe Hundrup Yongwatan Zenju Pumi Mansu Jangyudir Sunshu Dembe Lodab Rabdu Gebe Mundun Shuguyu Kashaki Chilunidoni Sejik Taokube Che Nila. The present Kashak has been carrying out its administrative work without any negligence. However, the inability of the Parliament to convene its session has been preventing it from carrying out its legislative functions. The Parliament is also not able to make use of the opportunities to plan activities and campaigns in accordance with the changing situation in China and the international community. The Kashak has been informed of several instances of the Chinese government exploiting this issue to spread falsehood inside Tibet, create division in the exiled Tibetan community, and misuse it at the international platforms. It has created great concern and apprehension amongst the governments, parliaments, and Tibet supporters who genuinely support us. Tibetans inside Tibet said they would stop the activities for the Tibetan cause if the problem is not resolved immediately. All of us know that there are people in our small community who are just venting emotions without careful thinking. The present Kashak will extend its cooperation and support to any means that are within the Charter. We would like to stress that it's high time that the concerned people should seriously weigh the advantages and the disadvantages if the situation lingers on, and make no mistake in their consideration by taking responsibility in the highest interest of our cause. If the impasse drags on due to the intransigence, it will only lead to the collapse of the Tibetan administration. Neither will any Tibetan like to see such a result, nor will it benefit any Tibetan. The Kashak is ready and firmly committed to work with the Parliament as mandated by the Charter and make concerted efforts in working towards the greater cause of Tibet and welfare of the Tibetan people. In conclusion, the Kashak extends its warm greetings to India, the United States, and all the countries and Tibet support groups around the world for supporting the just cause of Tibet. We pray for the flourishing of the meritorious works of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the spontaneous fulfillment of all his wishes. May Tibetan democracy continue to flourish. Thank you.
We now have a performance by the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts.
최근 텐디기 기자들도 전부 망설다가 요마를 뛰게 이 리소르송 지금 고등서로 지금 미장 통동 최세 모든 가마도 최선을 상로마 통해 된적이 최근 지금 텐디기 소리인데 당연히 주로 텐디기 소리인데 그 용로용으로 지금도 대주 차지 다 깨이버도 문제잖아요. 다 된적 마용을 쳐와요. 최고선 직지사디 말 들어 듬바 야바 구바 대주 가돌이야 최대 거리지 디디기 와리야 애니까도 최고선 직주지 차대요.